Check, 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 check. Is it because it is? I just picked up these DJI mics. It's the 2-pack, so it's got 2 different microphones plus the receiver. And I've never used this type of microphone before. I've always just recorded using my phone. So I'm going to see if I can work this right out of the box. As long as there's a charge in here, I'm going to hook this up and see if I can get it working just as a complete newbie. How easy is this to use? So first thing I need to do is open this up. Let's open here. Let's see. Got a little plastic piece to pull. And now there's no going back. There we go. What's in the box? Charging case, receiver, 2 transmitters, a carrying pouch, a hot shoe adapter, 2 windscreens, a mobile phone adapter, that's going to be important, one for USB-C, one for Lightning, perfect, and an audio cable. So, also an instruction manual, 2 clips, and a charging cable. So they're all in here. There they are. Oh, they're already blinking green, and I see that all 3 of them have a little bit of a charge. So I think we're actually going to be good. Okay, here's our pouch. And inside our pouch, I believe I will find our accessories. Got some. All right. Instructions. Recycling instructions. Oh, here's our 2 wind socks that clip onto the ends. Okay, good to know. I'm not out in the wind, but still good to know. All right. So charging cable. This is a USB-C charging cable, and this will be to charge the station. Yes. All right. Beauty. Next. All right, if I pull one of these guys out, I can put a windsock on it. That does not go on the way that I thought it does. Oh, it goes over there. Trying to put it on over the audio clip or audio input jack. Audio jack. I was trying to put it on over the audio jack. Still not working very well. All right, we're resorting to the glasses. All right, windsock assembly may require instructions. Seems pretty easy. Yeah, I feel it going in, but it's coming right back out again. Okay, so clearly there's some kind of instructions that I'm going to need to read for those. So, fail. Maybe push it on and twist. I think that's it. All right, it goes on and twists. Enter, twist. Boom. Didn't need the instructions, just needed a little bit of patience and my glasses. All right. Next, this guy is charged. We just need to set this out. Language, English. Oh. Check, check. Check, check. Oh. It automatically turns on the second one. If I close this. Let's turn this off. Boom. All right. Just one. First one on and I can see my levels. Oh, nope, the second one came on. Check, check. That's just that. All right, so this guy clips to me. Boom, shaka and lockup. Next, headphones and out. So if that's out to what? Out to the phone. Where are my adapters? Adapter. Oh, they're in the box. There they are. Boom. Oh, I don't even need to use this cable. Well, that's a problem. Okay. This is very similar to the DJI Pocket attachments that I have that just slide in. So, okay, boom. That's clicked in there. And now I am going to, you turn yourself back on again. I don't want you on. And I'm going to plug this into the camera. There we go. Okay. So I guess the next question is it just working now? Test, test, 1, 2, 3. I can see the level changing on the display as it is plugged into my phone, and it looks like the audio levels are okay. What I don't know is if the mics are actually hooked up into the app so that while it's recording the video, it's actually recording through the microphone, or if it's still recording through the iPhone's microphone. So I'm going to test that now and see if I can figure out what the answer is. Okay, so yeah, it's working perfectly. Right out of the box, there was a little bit of a charge on it, so I was able to just plug it in and go. And the funny thing is that I've been kind of intimidated by this product. It's seemed like, you know, the technology might be such that I would have to figure out how to get it all configured, how to get it all set up. And so I bought it like a month ago, and it's just been sitting while I've thought, oh, I don't have time to sit down and figure out how to get it configured, how to get it set up. And it turns out I didn't need to do any of that. It's working perfectly right out of the box. Any newbie like me can do it. So that's awesome. The only thing I haven't figured out yet is the second microphone keeps turning itself on. And yeah, I can see it on the little display there showing 2 meters. And I don't need 2. Yeah, it's still 2. I can turn it off. And now I'm down to 1 meter, but it's going to turn itself right back on again. I've done that a couple of times now. Yep, there it goes. It turned itself back on again. So I don't know. I'll have to look at the manual to figure out what's going on with the second microphone. But as far as one microphone goes, I should have done this a long time ago. Any newbie can do it. Don't be intimidated by it like I was. This was dead simple. All I've got to do now is charge this case up so that the microphones are charged and ready to go. I'll have a spare and one to use. And one of the best things, bonus, as I've been recording videos, I could hear this high-pitched sort of, it's not quite a hiss, more of a whir, as if my phone had an actual disk drive in it, but obviously it doesn't. It's got flash memory, but I could hear that in the phone when I've been recording videos. And I've used noise suppression filters and stuff to sort of minimize that. If you listen to the beginning of this video very carefully, I'll leave it in there. You'll probably be able to hear it. As soon as I clicked over to using this microphone, that's gone. And that was one of the main reasons I wanted to have the wireless lapel mic, a lavalier like this, because I wanted that whine to be gone. I wanted it just to isolate to my voice. So I'm super happy. I cannot recommend these highly enough. Anybody can set these up and use them, including a newbie like me, and the audio quality on them is excellent. So I hope this unboxing, straight to using, first experience video has been of some kind of help to you. Check, 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 check. Postscript. P.S. P.S. I've noticed that with the second mic in the box and the lid closed, it's not on. So it's only turning itself on. There it goes again. It's only turning itself on when I've got the box open. So I don't even need to read the manual for that. So overall, these are dead simple to use. And I'm very pleased about that. Take my back into the